Well, hey, yo, vocab fans, Larry Lexicon here again, and I'm happy to see you guys, but I do have some legitimate concerns. In fact, it turns out that we're vulnerable. Yep, we are vulnerable. In fact, take a look at the leaderboard for the bowl season, and you'll see that even though Elise Buckingham Charter High School, that's us freshmen, is in first place, East Early College High School is close behind in second place and only trailing us by 700 words or something like that. Talk to a math teacher for the specifics. All I know is that it's close and I don't like it. With that in mind, I think it's time for us to seek some retribution. Oh yeah. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we should make an advisory class challenge. And this challenge will take place between this Friday, January 26th, and February 9th. Whatever advisory class masters the most words per student, they're going to win a little party. A señorita bread party. Oh, that's right, delivered by Larry Lexicon himself. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Larry, what in the world? This creates a problem. There's only 15 kids in my advisory class. How am I going to compete against an advisory class with 25 kids? Don't worry. Larry thought this through. Unfortunately, it involves a fairly complex mathematical equation that I'm not quite capable of figuring out on my own. So here to discuss this in greater detail, let's welcome Dewey Decimal. Dewey?
Say, two angles are vertical angles when they are opposite angles formed by the intersection of two lines. Vertical angles are congruent angles, meaning they have the same measure. Oh, hello. Yes, I'm here to help calculate the average of words mastered per class. I wanted to go ahead and take some time here to do some advanced mathematics here. Let's take a look at some examples. I see here that I can't really use Rose's advisory because they have 0 words mastered. He is obviously a slacker. But let's take a look at Pochop's advisory here with 475 words mastered and 23 students. Let's say 475, standard deviation of 475, and 23 derivative of x with respect to time, and I get 20.65 to 17391, or for you lay folks, around to about 20.7 words mastered per student.
Thank you, Dewey, for explaining that to us. It sounds like finding out those averages is going to be a fairly arduous process, so I'm happy we have you to help us out in this procedure. So it will be the class that averages the most words per student. So any advisory class could win this thing. And you guys, it's not just students I'm worried about here. Attention, teachers. For the advisory teacher of the class that masters the most words per student, you're going to get a prize too. Oh, and trust me, you're going to want it. In fact, you're going to want it so bad, I can't even say what it is in this video. So encourage your kids to master some words. Additionally, hey, we've got a new thing, Verd for a Fortnight. And you've probably already heard, but it's Jahil right now. You get your name on the board, you get a bunch of nice things said about you, and best of all, you get to make your own list of vocab words. So Jahil made a list. This is Jahil's list of his favorite words. I'm going to send it to all of you today so you can master these words and be like Jahil. How cool is that? Additionally, next week on Thursday, February 1st, we're going to have an Eat Your Words Power Lunch. Bring your device, your phone, tablet, whatever, to lunch, and while you eat, you're going to do vocabulary. We'll keep a running tally up on the projector of who's in the lead, and the winner will get a prize. And additionally, the top 15 students will face off at a future lunch in a vocab jam. Don't act like you're not excited about that. You know you are. Hey, you guys, as always, just say
Stop!
no to...
You're being way too kind. Get out of here. You need to win, you need to do your vocab, and you need to get your acts together so you can win.
Yo, it's your vocab word. let's grind on that vocab before East Early gains on us. And with the power of rapping, I'm gonna roast East Early to the dust. Let's do vocab, bro. That vocab flow, you know. Every day I do vocab. Many the times of any breath. East Early is gaining up. And I said, hey, no. So let's grab our laptops up and let's grind on vocab, bro. Hey, I'm 16 years old. I'm the vocab bird, you know. And I have so much points. Cause in 2001, a brand new legend was born. Now, let's try to beat East Early up. Let's all grind on vocab, but before we get stuck in the mud.